Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Joplin in your computer in a very simple way. Joplin is an open source note app with end-to-end encryption support. So how you can simply download it, very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply search for Joplin and then Joplin download. Simple, click enter. And then click on the downloading Joplin option, and then there will be the exe file comes in. So I'm going to drag it into the download option, click open, click download, and as you can see that the setup is rightly downloading, so it will take some seconds to complete. For that, keep your patience. After complete the download, you can simply click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, and simply minimize the backgrounds app. And here is your Joplin setup option. So I'm going to set it only for me, so click on install. And after complete installation, you can simply click on finish and it will going to open Joplin. You can see here is a shortcut icon. So as you can see right now, from here you can simply take notes from Joplin, and it's an end-to-end encrypted, very private. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another video. So then, goodbye.